In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Hotjar. This is really useful when you want someone else on your team to have full control over settings, recordings, heat maps, and all the important insights in your account. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start on your Hotjar homepage. Go ahead and log into your Hotjar account the way you normally do. Once you're signed in, you should land on the main dashboard or homepage for your site or project. This is the central place where you usually see your data, such as recordings, heat maps, or feedback. Make sure you're on the correct workspace or site, especially if you manage multiple projects. Now, look to the top right-hand corner of the page. Next to your profile picture or initials, you'll see an invite icon. This might look like a small person with a plus sign or a similar symbol indicating adding a user. Go ahead and click on that invite icon. This will open up the invitation panel or page where you can add new team members to your Hotjar account. On the invite page, you'll see one or more email fields ready for you to use. Click into one of those email fields to start. Here, you'll type the email address of the person you want to add as an admin. Take a moment to double check the spelling of their email so the invite goes to the right place. If you're inviting more than one person, you can usually fill in multiple fields. Next, you'll need to set their level of access. Next to the email field, you'll see a drop-down menu for permissions or role. Click on that drop-down, and from the list of options, select Full Access Expert. This is the role that effectively gives them admin level permissions. With full access, they'll be able to configure settings, manage tools, and view all data. Only grant this level of access to people you trust to manage your Hotjar setup responsibly. Once you've entered the email address and set the permission to full access, you're ready to send the invitation. Look for the button labeled Send Invites near the bottom of the page and click it. Hotjar will send an email invitation to the addresses you entered. Your teammate will just need to open that email, accept the invite, and then they'll appear as an admin level user in your Hotjar account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully